Ogeechee River. Got the one-man warrior boat there ready to go. River looks like it's kind of low, but looks real fishy. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what's going on. We're gonna be just pitching today with a spinner bait, just to see if we can catch some red breast. But it's mighty pretty looking, but we'll see. That right there is what you call fun. If you ain't never done this right here, you just don't know what fishing's all about. I've done all kinds of fishing: saltwater, lake, big fish, little fish, trout fishing in the mountains. But this right here is one of the most fun things that you can do with a fishing pole. And you know, what can I say? It's just awesome, man. Just awesome. Think about it. I ain't 100 yards from the bridge where I put in. It's just the fishing is that good. The traffic going by up there. I can see the bridge, and I done put 4 or 5 in the box. Hey, Lordy, look at that fish. Fine red belly. Fine red belly. This right here is the river I was raised up on. I hadn't been here in several years. Ogeechee River. It stretches, I don't know, from the middle of Georgia all the way down to the coast, but good fishing on it just about anywhere you go. I hadn't fished much below around Statesboro, that area, but if you can catch it right, which it seems to be today, it's some of the most fun you can have with a fishing pole. You ain't gonna see no more beautiful scenery than what you'll see here on this river. But anyhow, it's just a lot of fun. I mean, you gotta try it if you hadn't tried it. I'd recommend going to somebody if you've never been. If you can find somebody that'll take you. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I don't know why I've waited so long to come back. I guess because I live on a lake and I do a lot of fishing on the lake. But man, this is fun. Tell you, this warrior one-man boat is ideal for this type of fishing. It's basically a kayak with a electric motor on it, but it's got higher sides than your typical kayak. It's got a live well made into it, very comfortable seat. I'm not sure, but I think that the people that made this boat are out of business now, but if you can find one and you like to do this kind of fishing, perfect. It's perfect for this. I got the motor running right now. It's foot controlled, electric motor, foot controlled. And I'm just sitting in one spot, and you can just sit here and fish this whole area. And you know, if there's any fish here, you more than likely gonna catch them. But anyhow, just thought I'd give you a little rundown on the boat. But I'm sure you could probably do this with a kayak or anything else like that. And just be, you know, you'd have to use a paddle, but this allows you to hands-free to fish. But anyhow, get back to fishing. Look at him, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. I think I'm gonna let this one go. It'll be the first one I put back today. He's a little bit small. My wife likes to eat those, but I'm gonna let it go back. That's what I'm talking about right there. Beautiful fish. Got the red on the tips. Red belly, red up here. Beautiful rooster red. Warm out here in the Georgia sun in June. Gotta ease over here in the shade. Probably where the fish are anyhow. They just like us, they don't like that heat. Oh shit. One thing you got to watch out for is getting in the bushes. You gotta keep your eyes peeled over your head. Hey. Don't tell nobody you saw me do that. Everybody thinks I don't never get hung. That's because I had a lot of practice getting hung. It's definitely different fishing in the lake. Good thing about this little Warrior boat, it's got a little rheostat on the motor. You can adjust that motor like a variable speed motor and just barely keep you going with the current, which is nice when you're trying to pick off some redbreast. Yeah, I think we can do it. That's poison ivy there for sure. I don't want to get it on me. Gotta watch for snakes too. They like to get on these limbs in the sun. You don't want one falling in the boat with you. I've had that happen one time with a close friend of mine. He almost sunk us getting out of there. But it can be exciting sometimes. Alright, let's try. Go. There we go. Nice little hen. Nice little hen. Nice little cooler full. Good fish. Another good hen. Another good hen. Good fish. Gotta love it. Just gotta love it. There we go. There we go. Little rooster. Little rooster. Absolutely beautiful down here. I don't know how you can come down to a place like this, see all of this, and not be a believer in Almighty. Just awesome. Awesome, awesome. Squeeze back through here again. Without getting poison ivy. Let's see if it's sloshing around. We got one floater. Got hot, South Georgia in the sun. I used to fish with Zebco 33s, but I believe the quality of them reels has gone way down. They're only good for about one season, and then you got to buy another one because you can't fix them. So I just started using a spinning reel. They hold up a little better and they're about as cheap as a Zebco, if not cheaper. There's still a lot of people use Zebcos though. Some people that I fish with thought they know how to fish with. Zebco 33. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Nice one. Nice little hen. Fish fight good. I guess river fish, they always fight good. Good little keeper there. of shallow over there, but look at him. Look at him. He went under a log, but I think he got back out from under it. Look at this fish. I hope he don't get off. He's trying. He's trying. Look at that fish. Woo! What a rooster. Caught him in the shallow water. That's what we're looking for right there. Holy moly. That's a big old fish. That is a rooster red, Ogeechee River rooster redbreast. Right there, my friends. Man, ain't that a picture. Gracious, what a fish. I got to get a picture on my iPhone and send it to some buddies. We got a good mess. Caught, I think I counted 26. Limit here's 30. I probably could have caught 4 more easy, but it's been a good day. We got a nice mess of fish here. Some pretty good roosters in there, but anyhow, it's been a good day. I'm glad you watched. Hope you enjoyed it, learned something, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.